Fallshaw pneumatic wheels are manufactured in-house at our Sunshine North factory in Melbourne, Victoria. Our plastic rims are produced using an injection moulding machine. Plastic particles are fed into the machine. The plastic is melted at a high temperature. Molten plastic is injected into sturdy steel moulds. The solid plastic rims are then produced, ready for the next stage of production. Next, the wheel is fitted. Firstly, the rubber tyre is placed around the rim, followed by the insertion of the tube. The wheel is then securely fitted. And next, the tube is inflated. The final step is to fit bearings to the wheel, with a wide range of bearing and bush options in various sizes to choose from. The pneumatic wheel is now ready for use.